Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can download and install the Google Drive application. So for that, open the Google Play Store. On the search bar, you need to type in Google Drive and tap on search. It will show you the application on top. So basically, Google Drive is a inbuilt application. So you might have the Google Drive application already installed in your phone. If not, you can download it from the Google Play Store just like this. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. We can see the option of not having to download again as it is already inbuilt. You will only have the option of updating it. So this is how you can download and install the Google Drive from your Google Play Store. Likewise, if you are using a iOS device, you will need to go to the App Store and download that app, as Google Drive is not an inbuilt application in the iOS devices. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.